everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how you can voice record on Telegram desktop. Watch the video till the end without skipping and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. Click open your Telegram application on your desktop and sign in to your account if necessary. In order to voice record on Telegram, from your conversation screen, click open any conversation to whom you would like to send the voice record to. Go to the right side corner and you'll be able to see a microphone icon in the bottom right. In order to record your voice, simply keep clicking on the microphone icon for a while. Now, record your voice like you normally would. If you want to send the message to the contact, simply release the microphone icon and you'll be able to send the voice message to one of your contacts. That is how you can record a voice on Telegram. Simply keep pressing the microphone icon, record your voice. To cancel the recorded voice, simply release outside the field to cancel. Click on cancel and that way you'll be able to record voice on Telegram and send it to your contacts. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.